Good morning, everybody. So last week we were comparing links, and this week we're going to add and subtract links. We did a little bit of that last week when we were comparing. So it says today we're going to use what you know. You know how to compare links. The length of a toy alligator's body is 32 inches. The tail of the alligator is 6 inches shorter than the body. How long is a tail? Now, this is one thing you have to be careful. You have to be careful with the vocabulary. It does not say that the alligator's tail is 6 inches. It says it's 6 inches shorter than the body. So you have to do an equation. So what's the length of the alligator's body from here to here is 32 inches. And this is in your packet that you got. So am I going to add or subtract to find the length of the alligator's tail? Well, it says that it is 6 inches shorter. So if I'm going to go shorter, my number's going to get smaller. So that means I'm going to what? That's right, subtract. I'm going to subtract to find the length. Because that number is smaller. Okay? So complete the equation that you can use to find the length of the tail. So if the body is 32 inches and we are trying to find out the tail is 6 inches shorter, we're going to subtract the 6 inches. So how long now is the alligator's tail? And if you did your subtraction correctly, you should have gotten 26 inches. All right. So now let's go to the next page. You can add links to find a total length. You can measure the tail and measure the body and then add to find the total lengths of the alligator. So what they did here was they have the measurement here. That is the tail. The tail they measured from here to here was 26 inches. Then they measured the body, which was from here to here. That was 32 inches. Or I could measure from the tail all the way to its nose, which would give me the total in one measurement. All right, either way, I should get the same answer. So if I add 26 plus 32, that is going to give me 58 inches. And if you look very closely when they measured this, they came up with 58 inches because they are counting by twos. All right, so why does adding the lengths of the parts of the alligator give you the same answer as measuring the whole alligator? Think about that for a second. Why does adding the lengths of the parts of the alligator give you the same as measuring the whole alligator? Well, when you put the two parts together, you get the length of the whole alligator. All right, guys. So that's our lesson for today. That was in your packet, and in your workbook today, you should be completing pages 215 and 216. Remember to pay attention to their example and pay attention to that vocabulary closely. Don't just add and subtract numbers that you see. Read the question carefully. Have a good day.